I've been with DistroKid for over 5 years and released over 6 albums with them, and now 400,000 monthly listeners later, here's my honest review. This isn't a sponsored video, and I want to show you 4 tools that you might not know that DistroKid offers. My name's Chris, also known as the artist Manafest. I've been doing music now for almost 20 years full time. So there's 4 main things I look for in a distributor before I sign up, and then I'm going to share with you 4 tools that you might not know DistroKid offers. And number 1 is I must be able to keep 100% of the royalties, like I mentioned. Number 2, how fast can they get the songs to the DSPs, to the digital service providers? So how quick will it show up in my Spotify for Artists dashboard once I distribute it so I can pitch it to the Spotify editorials? Now, I always schedule my songs at least 3 to 4 weeks in advance. I don't do any of this quick turnaround, rush it out, because I don't want to make a mistake. Number 3, what's their support like? Like when I have an issue, like if I set up the primary artist feature wrong, or I can't get it connected for some reason, or there's just some issue and I need a response, how quickly do they respond? And I found they get back to me pretty quickly. And again, my songs show up very quickly when I'm scheduling them for release. They show up in my dashboard pretty quick. And then number 4, which is very huge, they pay me every month. They haven't missed a month yet, and the royalty statements are clear. I can understand them. I can connect my bank very easy, so it's just like direct deposit. Haven't had any issues with that. Now, let's jump into the 4 tools that are really helpful you might not know of. The first one is the Spotify Canvas generator. Okay, so the Spotify canvases are those 3 to 8 second videos that are part of your song on Spotify that play when someone's listening to them, and they literally give you a 181% increase in streams because people are more likely to share the song, save it, visit your profile, and just check out your music. And so you want to make sure you have a Spotify canvas on every song. Let me show you where you do this. So I'm in my Spotify dashboard right now. I can see 209 people are listening to my music. I'm going to click on music. I'm going to click on songs, and I'm going to look at my song Shine, and I'm going to click on it. And as you can see here, there is no Spotify canvas on this song. So I need to click add canvas. Okay. It wants me to confirm that I'm a member of the team. And now I need the video. Well, here's where I'm going to go back to DistroKid. And I'm going to click on these 4 little dots, this down arrow right here. I'm going to click on Enhance Your Music. I'm going to scroll here, and it says Spotify Canvas Generator. Free custom canvas videos for your Spotify release. Click on that. And then what kind of a vibe do I want? Well, the song is called Shine, so why don't I put like sunset? And what do I see here? This, what looks really cool? Well, that looks pretty cool with the oceans. I like that one. There's a whole bunch of stuff. This is actually really cool right here. Why don't we click on that? And look at this. Edit duration, 3 to 8 seconds long. Okay, I can click next. Now I've got this. Download. Now if I change my mind, maybe I want this one right here. And look, you can move this over and you can clip whatever part of the video you want. So I might grab that one actually instead. Click download. And then now I go back to my artist dashboard, click plus, click on my downloads, go to list, and there's my Spotify canvas right there. Upload it. Boom. Now I've got a visual right there. Click next. I agree. Post, and now I've got a Spotify canvas video on my song. So after this video, make sure you go create a bunch of Spotify canvases and optimize all your songs, especially if you're marketing and promotion. And of course, there's a DistroKid link for 7% off when you sign up. But again, this is not a sponsored video. The next thing you really want to do is HyperFollow. Okay, this is a really dope tool that allows you to get pre-saves of your song. So when you have a new song coming out and you want people to pre-save it so it shows up in their library. And so yeah, just so you understand that, like when someone pre-saves your song, the day the song is released, it shows up in their Spotify library. Plus, you get to collect their name and email address so you can follow up with them and remind them that the song is out, or maybe there's a lyric video, or maybe you've got some merch for sale or something like that. This is a really free, powerful tool. I'll show you where it is right now. Okay, I'm back in DistroKid, and again, I click on this down arrow, And this time I don't want to enhance my music. I want to promote yourself. And here's the tool right there, HyperFollow, free landing pages to grow your fan base. So I click on that, and then you can see here I've got this new song that's coming out. And so I click copy this URL, and just so you can see what it looks like, paste it in here. And so this is a page that DistroKid created, and when people click on this, right, and look, share email address with artists, they can click that or not click it, but when they click pre-save, it automatically connects to their Spotify, and then the pre-save is loaded, and now I've got their name and email, and I'll show you a campaign where we did that. Here's an example here where we got 22 pre-saves. I click on that, and if I scroll to the bottom here, you can see I've got all these email addresses. They're blurred out, but I've got all the email addresses that I can export and then follow up with them. You really want to get as many pre-saves as possible, and so this song is coming out in a few weeks, so I'm going to click copy this URL right now. I'm going to go to Twitter right now, and I'm going to say new song, Blow the Doors Off, pre-save now. And then I can put the link, and I could also add the artwork if I wanted to as well. Just go, here's the cover, and then post that right now. And so I'm already promoting the pre-save. Another super important tool for optimizing your songs and so you can get as many streams as possible is when someone's playing your song here. So I got my song Here Comes Trouble. See this little microphone right here where it says lyrics? So this is so people can look at the lyrics while they're playing your songs, right? And you can even have them synced. And so DistroKid allows you to do this as well. And I can't tell you how important this is, just even as me as a fan. And also I even see my daughter who's listening to songs and she's pulling up the lyrics. And sometimes she'll be like, hey, Dad, there's no lyrics on this one song. Why aren't the lyrics on this song? And I'm like, well, I guess the artist didn't optimize the song yet. And so you want to make sure you do this. And again, you go back to DistroKid. And if I click on My Music, and what I want to do here is click Add Plain Lyrics. And then I would copy and paste the lyrics in here. And you can either do the basic free, which is the one I do, or you can also do the Lyric Blaster, which includes Spotify and all the other things powered by Music Match. You pay one fee. The only frustrating part and what I don't like is that every time I do a new primary artist feature, so because this is with another artist, they're making me pay for Lyric Blaster. Where if it was just Manafest on the song, I wouldn't have to pay. So that's my only little qualm there. I think it should just be a one-time for all your songs, no matter who you're performing with or who the other artist is with. Now, something super important that you do not want to make this mistake is when you do switch distributors, you want to make sure you do it the right way so that you don't lose any of your streams or any of your playlists. And that's why I made this video right here, how to move your songs from a music distributor without losing any streams.